Hey friends, thanks for tuning in on for Skill Building Tuesday. Skill Building Tuesday, let's build our muscles. Look at those muscles. So one of the 21 skills as identified by my coach, Mike Currie, in terms of being a professional and successful real estate agent is one on money management and profitability. So we've come up with really about 13 points on money management and profitability that I'd like to share with you this morning. So thanks for tuning in. And I guess first one, money earned is the result of the work that we do, the effort we put in, and the service we offer to other people. Okay, so we sort of get, and a good way to make a lot of money is ask people what they want and then deliver it to them. Sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? And it probably is that easy. Next point, if you are without the money that you want, it's either because of either A, you're not giving people the service they want, okay, so, or B, you're not able to set goals effectively or achieve them, all right, or 3, you're unable to control your spending. All right, so again, you want the money, but you don't have the strong goals to maybe get your skills in order, or you're not giving them the service that people want or expect based on what they're going to pay you. Point next, a profit is what is left after you subtract your expenses from your income. And don't forget to put your taxes into this scenario. So a lot of us in the real estate business are a little bit short on money management, and we think about we often think about just the income we've made, but we don't think about lots of our expenses and especially our taxes. So this is a story we hear over and over again with realtors. So definitely profit is we can earn pretty good money in real estate and good commissions. But again, we do have our expenses and we do have our taxes. Let's not forget about those. Point 4, life is about making decisions quickly. Any delay in making decisions costs you time and money. In the real estate business, time is of the essence. So I think that it is a good idea to move quickly, make decisions quickly, and then, live with those decisions. Point next. Earning money and making a profit are a numbers game like any other numbers game. Learn the numbers that are required for you to achieve the goals that you have set. So, in sales especially, it's really just a numbers game. And so what are the contacts required? What are the videos posted? What's the social media contacts that you need to do to reach your goals? Think about those numbers and record them in a sheet or in a way that you can look back on them and then determine what you did to or what you didn't do in terms of your success. I can't help but think on this, you guys. I'm going to throw it out there on just yesterday. I think I shared with you guys, I want to try and run a sub 3-hour marathon next year, next fall. And so I did it in 2021. No, I mean, 2001, so more than 20 years ago. And I just would I like the challenge to try and do it again. But I'm running really kind of, slowly or poorly, or it doesn't feel great. And it's a lot of work. But so then I looked yesterday in Strava, and in Strava, I haven't even done 1,000 kilometers this year. Now, kind of a guy that, a lot of my colleagues and everything, I probably, last year I did 2,000. That was my goal and I hit it with ease. This year, and I actually didn't know. So I think that's part of my problem is I just need to pick up my volume. And so by tracking your numbers, whatever it may be, your calories burnt, your calories taken, if that's a goal of yours, around weight, or in terms of athletic goals, whether it be bike, run, swim, or anything else, days out in nature, all these things can matter, but certainly it matters with contacts in this sales game. Point 6, consider using multiple checking and savings accounts to manage your money. For example, you might want 4 accounts, a business account, which 30% of your gross income goes into. A personal account, which again, 30% of your money should go into. A tax account, 25% of each check would go into. And a savings or investment account, which would 15% of each check would go into. Great models. Number 7, hire an accountant, bookkeeper, financial planner as soon as possible, and ask each of them to teach you the fundamentals of their business. Listen to their advice that they give you. Take action. It's not a mystery, but you need an accountant, a bookkeeper, a financial planner, and listen to them. Point 8, remember you're the creator of your income. Therefore, you should pay yourself each month, meaning of each commission, take a percentage of it and put it in a separate account. Number 9, your profits are not what they should be. If your profits are not what they should be, cut unnecessary expenses by 20%, increase your income by 20%, do both A and B at the same time. D, increase your prospecting. And yeah, so that's what you do. You want to increase your profits, not what it should be. Cut your expenses, increase your income, and increase your prospecting. Prospecting in real estate can solve any problem. Point 10, some money and profit ideas to think about. Pay your credit cards off every month. Stop throwing money at problems. This is a one that I haven't really paid attention to, but don't give client gifts. Your service is enough. Now, what other profession, doctor, lawyer, are you getting gifts after you visit your doctor? No, they're professional service, or your engineer. In your realtor, I mean, for many, many years, we didn't give gifts. We do give gifts now as a decision the team has made, but maybe it's not something you need to do. Your professional service is enough. Okay, so point 11, once a week, visit your money, check the balance in your accounts, assess your investments, review your financial goals. Point 12, determine exactly how much money you have to earn each month by going through the following exercise. What's your total personal and business expense per month? That's A. What's your total outside income, outside of real estate, say? C, the difference between those two. That's what you need to earn. And then figure out your average commission and divide the number in C by the number in D to know how many deals you have to do each month. Last point, you guys, on money management and profitability. Remember, your biggest business expense is your ego. Ego and profitability are not your friends. If you want a big ego and big profits, your money is heading in the opposite direction. So when we're talking about that is like a lot of real estate agents would really like to own the bus benches, the billboards. Well, that's a little bit about ego. Okay, so maybe you don't need those things at least right off. And because if you do spend too much on that and not have the business to support it, your money's just going to go out. Bonus point. Become your best client. Buy real estate. And another bonus point, create a 6-month reserve that will cover both your office and personal expenses. Folks, that is money management and profitability. Thanks for tuning in. I will just hit the unrecord button and we can have a little discussion around it.